Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you had a nice weekend and I hope you're having a nice Monday. So for today's video, I'm really excited to be sharing some new dies that I received from KLJUYP on Ally on Instagram. They are ZFPARTY and I received a nice design team package from them to try out. So I've just been having lots of fun. I'll go ahead and get started and just dive right in. So this first die set here is a ladybug bow die set, and it's really cute. It comes with two bows here, the ladybug body, and this little strip here for the bows. And I really like that it embosses this little line down the center of the ladybug, and that just really helps to position the bow when I was putting it down. So I thought that was neat. So there's that one, and I did cut out a couple and put these together. So I think they're so cute. For this one here, I just layered one of the bows on top of the other, and you can see a little bit of the little dots design on that one there, and then just added some bling. So there's that one. And for this one here, I layered this one on top, kind of wrapped it around the other bow. So I thought this one was really cute, and you see a lot more of the little design on the wings for the ladybug. So there's that one, super cute. And let me see. So the next one is, I'm going to be kind of alternating and sharing some of the dies and some of the projects throughout. So this one here is a Party Pennant Shaker die set, and it comes with, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 pieces if you don't count these all individually. So you can really layer it up with some foam tape or make it into a shaker, and I thought this was really neat. So for this second layer here, it does have the little holes that cut out, but not on the scalloped edge here dies. So that's what this one is for. So if you want to add the little holes to this bottom layer, you would use this piece here. So I thought that one was really neat. And then I'm kind of keeping them separate and took them out of the wrapping to make it a little quicker. This one here is a, let me see, it's the Heart Lock Shaker die set, and it comes with 4 pieces. I haven't taken this one apart yet. So it comes with this one here that will cut lots of little hearts as a design, or even as little shaker bits. And then this one here that creates the shaker outline, and then the bottom base piece here with the little keyhole design. So I thought that one was another really cute one. I can't wait to play with that one. So for this next set here, I also was able to play with it and create something. So this is the shadow boxes, and it's a really nice set. It comes with 3 different designs for shadow boxes. So you can make a shadow box shaped like a tag. You can make one shaped like a little t-shirt or blouse. And then this one here, shaped like a little house. So cute. This piece here makes the box for the shadow box, and then there's a little frame piece to layer on the top, and then some additional little pieces here in case you want to make them into tags. You can use those to make any of the shaker boxes into tags. So here's one that I created using the tag one. So cute. So this one, I just made it into like a little shadow box, dimensional, and I popped a few of these things on the inside on foam tape, like different thicknesses, and just added some little balloons here on the top, some tulle and trim, and just some little bling. So really cute. And I'm going to share, I didn't cover up the edge on this one just to show that I pretty much glued everything to show up on the outside, on the back part of the box, so that you wouldn't see it on the inside of the shadow box. And you can easily cover that up. On the next one here, I used some washi tape actually to cover up all the little seams and finish it off. So I thought that was pretty easy. So for this one here, I thought it was so cute. I love the little t-shirt shape, and I decided to make it into a shaker, and it's really fun since it's so thick. You can really have fun with whatever you put into your little shaker mix. I added some pom-poms, some sequins shaped like balloons, regular sequins, and then I used another one of the dies, and these are actually little worms. I'll share that die too, but they're little worms that come with a bookmark, shaker bookmark die set, but I thought they could also work for like little streamers and things for like a birthday party designs. So I actually cut some of these in different colors and then just put those in there to look like streamers. So if you don't know, they're meant to be bookworms. I think they look pretty close to streamers too. So that was really fun. Then I just did a little layered flower with a little crown there. And I used some diamond dots to accent that, some bling, and then this one here says treat yourself. So I thought that would be just really cute and fun. And I haven't added the little hole. I'm not sure. I think it could go on a card, really cute, or you know, punch a little hole and then make it into a tag like this one here. So there's those. And then for my next little die share, so I haven't created anything with these yet, but these are shakers, cross shaker tags, and there's two designs in this one, in this set. So this is really cute, so it can make a little shaker cross, and I thought these would be so fun for Easter or just any type of faith project, baptism or confirmation, anything like that. So these are the two designs that came in this set. And then this other set are a little bit like more ornate, and they're so I think they're a little bit like more fancier ornate crosses. Same thing, the base one cuts the little tag, solid shape, and then here's the one that makes the shaker, and then here is the other one to that set. So just really cute. I really like those. I can't wait to play with those. And then this next set here is a gift tag set, and let me see if I can see exactly. Sorry, I wrote them down because there's quite a few. So these are the gift card holders die set, and it comes with 3. This one here cuts out like long ways here, 2 on the side, and this one would keep the gift card in this way. This one cuts out the notches top and bottom, and then this one here, top and bottom but long ways. So really useful, and I actually created a project a couple of videos ago. They were little coffee themed projects, and I mentioned in that video that I think I have a similar die set somewhere but couldn't find it. So when I got this in the mail, I just went ahead and cut out the little notch here so I can just slip in a gift card and it'll be ready to go. So really cute and useful set, I think, on that one. So the one that I used for this one was this one here. And I just placed it where I needed it on the bottom and just die cut about halfway up to do that. So there's that one. And this next die set here is a bunch of little balloon shapes. There's hearts, a regular balloon shape there. This one's like a little teddy bear balloon, and this one's like a longer wavy balloon. So it cuts out multiple little balloons for your shaker mixes. So I thought this was really cute and perfect for birthdays or different celebrations. So there's that one. It's called the, let me see, Balloon Shaker Bits die set. And for this next one, I received this butterfly set here. It comes with the little body of the butterfly and then 2 layering pieces with little holes along the edge. Really cute. And then this little strip here. So I guess you can also make these into like for hair breadths or things like that, depending on the material you use. And then you can kind of fold it and use the little strip there to hold it down. So this is the smaller size in the butterfly. And then I also received a larger set. Really cute. I love that design. So I, of course, went ahead and played with that one too. So this is the larger one. And just really cute. I just layered it up and then added some bling to the little body there. So there's that one. This one here is also the larger set. I didn't add any bling because this paper here is like the really chunky glitter paper. And I'm still not sure if I'm going to add anything to the wings, or I thought it would be fun once I know what project I'm going to be using it on to add a little sentiment or something going across the top there of the butterfly. And then this one here is the smaller one. So you can see the difference in size there. So cute. So pretty. Okay, so next up is the Bookmark Shaker Die Set. And like I said, I used the little worms it comes with, the little bookworms. And I used them as little party streamers for my shaker. And then it comes with these other pieces here. It comes with the back piece here, a layering piece, and then a little frame in case you want to make it into a shaker. That one is also really cute and would be perfect for teachers or student gifts. And this next die here is a large, it's a suitcase. Let me see. Suitcase, or it's a luggage die card. So you can make a card that opens up in the shape of a little luggage. So I thought this was, again, just so cute. I can't wait to play with this one. So this is the base piece here, the luggage shape. This one here would create the flap that opens up on the card. You get a layering piece there, another layering piece to the luggage, and then just some accent pieces, including a little face if you want to make it cute. So there's that one for the luggage. And then the next die set, these ones, sorry guys. So for these ones here, I did still have them in the bags because there's quite a few little pieces and I didn't want to mess them up. So this is a large luggage box die set. So it comes with quite a few pieces. So let me see. So it comes with these pieces here. This one makes the box. You would cut it out twice. The little handles to the luggage, a bunch of cute accessory pieces, a little hanger, airplane. I believe these are little cones. I'm not sure. Or maybe binoculars once you put them together. I'm not quite sure about that one. And then you get a couple different tags, some corner pieces to accent the luggage box, wheels, airmail, lots of fun pieces to use your imagination on. And you get a little shirt there, the binoculars there, some different frame pieces and pocket pieces. So that one's going to be so much fun to put together and play with. And then for this last one here, it's a little backpack. Well, not quite so little, but it's a 3D backpack die set. And again, it comes with so many cute dies and layers and pieces to make a 3D backpack. And here's the handle here. So I'll be putting this together too to share what it looks like all put together. So really cute. I can't wait to put this one together and all of the other ones that I didn't get to to put together. So this one here also goes with the 3D luggage. So those are my project shares and the unboxing of all of the dies that I received from KLJUYP ZFPARTY Zen. So I'll link them in the description box below so you can check them out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.